Okay, I picked up this trailer. Got about 35-40 days until we go to Colorado on an elk hunt. So I have this generator I want to mount on the front. I had some old batteries that I was able to scavenge. They're taking a charge, rechargeable batteries. Might see if I can use this and maybe mount it on there, and then put the generator in there, get some wiring up. But first things first, we got to get the bearings changed. So I'm not sure how old they was or anything, so figured I'd completely replace them. Everything's already removed. I painted everything up, give it a nice cleaning. I got to put the races in it, the bearings, and I just thought I'd show you how that's done. So if you look on the inside, you can see there, take this little drift punch, and we're going to get right on that lip right there. I'm going to work around it, some gentle taps all the way around, and we'll bump her loose. Have it, both of them are out. Alright, so here's the kit I picked up. Master Pro BT7, let's see, wheel bearing kit. We'll see how well this fits, see if it's the right setup. Here's the old races. There. Here's the new ones. That looks like perfect match. Comes with the seal, the bearings, and for both of these, to do both sides, $52 is what it costs. So, all right, let's get these races installed. All right, now we can install the seal. Put the bearing in there, got them all packed real well. Got a nice little coating in here. Drop that in. The seal. I'll put a little bit back in here. Tap to get it started. And that should keep it just about flush. That's all you want. just flush the outside. All right. All right, I need to get the spindles back on here now. Your bearing grease. Gently so you don't scrape the steel, mess anything up. Still the outer seal, outer bearing. Castle nut goes back on. These don't have to be very tight. You gotta let the hub you don't want the hub to bind up. Should be no play. See, we got a little play there, so we got to go tighter yet. Actually, if you had the tire on, it would be a little bit better, but tires that I have on there now on the rims are shot, so I got to get the new tires for them. But there, we're not getting any play. It's been very nice. I think we're right where we need to be. Okay, I can take one of these tabs. And this will lock it in place. So you just grease her up right there, give her about 5 or 6 pumps of some fresh stuff, and pop your cap back on. Dust cap, and you're good to go. About all there is to it.